So these are some of the things we are going to be creating from this class. So make sure you watch the video to the end. So the first we are going to do, we are going to go back to our ChatGPT in order to create our prompt. So I already created our prompt. I'm going to paste it here. So this is what I'm going to write to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is going to be able to create the prompt for us. Okay. So this is the write-up I gave to ChatGPT to be able to create the prompt for us. I said, as a professional graphic designer, give me a very high quality flyer prompt for live YouTube class. Here is the write-up for the flyer. Free 7 days live masterclass. How to build a monetized YouTube income channel in 2026. What you will learn. Grow on YouTube organically. So these are a few of the write-up that I sent to ChatGPT. All right. So I say grow organically, avoid monetization mistake, create content. So these are the write-up that I want to be on the flyer. Okay. So in case you want ChatGPT to create the prompt for you, this is what you are going to do. You're going to tell him everything that you want to be on the flyer. And I said it should be very high click-through rate design. Use relevant color related to YouTube and use icon when needed. Okay. Now I just gave it what I told ChatGPT here is that it should use his own idea to make it look presentable. In other words, since it's a YouTube design that you're going to do here, so it's supposed to look something like a YouTube class or something like that. So now here he said Leonardo AI flyer prompt. Well, I guess the way I wrote the prompt, you now assume that maybe because I didn't involve Leonardo on the prompt I gave to ChatGPT to create, so I didn't involve Leonardo AI. So what he's trying to say is that Leonardo AI is the best app that we're going to use. But for this tutorial purpose, we are not using Leonardo AI. We are using Arena.ai. Now you are going to make sure that the prompts that ChatGPT gives to you, what you are seeing now, all right, this is the way you arrange everything for us. What you will learn, okay. Remember I said I should use emojis when needed. Now we are going to go ahead and cross-check anytime ChatGPT give you any prompts. If you are doing any meaningful job, okay, you want to go ahead to check, because to check if there is any error. If there's error, you can go ahead and just fix it and add your own write-up to it. Now this is the bonus design that it gave to us. This is a bonus design, okay, but I don't think I'm going to be using this bonus design. And it said aspect ratio. All right, so in case you don't like this size, this 1080 by 1350 pixels, in case you don't like this size, you can go ahead and just once you copy it, you can go ahead and edit it. But I'm just going to go ahead and go with the size it gave to us, because I didn't indicate the size, so you have to look for a size, okay, so that the size that is going to that we're going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and copy. This is the prompt now that he created for us, and I'm going to copy it and go over to Arena.ai. Go to your browser and click on Arena.ai on your browser. Okay, once you click on it, this is what you're going to see: the official AI ranking, LLM leaderboard. Okay, just click on this particular one. That's what you're going to see there. This first write-up that will pop up. So click on it. It's going to take us to the Arena.ai homepage. Okay, it's a website. You can access it with your phone. You can access it with your laptop. Now, these are the few things that Arena.ai can do for us. We can use Arena.ai to create website, what you are seeing there. You can use to create videos, just like your other video platform. You can use to create image, right? Of course, that's what we are going to be using for this particular class. Now, you can actually design apps, okay? So Arena.ai is very, very important. You can design apps for you, okay? You can also use it for research. So there are a lot of things that Arena.ai can do. For in case you have not used Arena.ai before, and you do not have money to pay for all those premium app, Arena.ai is your best go-to places. There are a lot of things you can do. Let me just show you but a few. These are the you can see get started. These are the few qualities for possibility of Arena.ai. Say create a landing page. You can do that with Arena.ai. Build dashboard. You can do that with Arena.ai. You can use it to create a game. That's an app. So you can do that with Arena.ai. You can launch a storefront. You can build full stack app. You can design code. Like let's say you have a project, and Arena.ai can actually help you out in designing some of this code. So you see that Arena.ai actually has a lot of features going on here. So we're going to Arena.ai have one feature which is it's called side by side. Side by side in the sense that it's going to use two different apps to design. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on image because what we want to design here is banner. So we are going to be, designing our banner. So I'm going to go ahead and pick. It has several, more than about 30 AI. You can see this Kie.ai image generation, right? So you can come here. Once you click on side by side, you have option to use two different AI app, okay, to generate your image. Or if the video you are generating is the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and paste the prompt that we collected from ChatGPT here. Then you want to go through it. Like I said, you can always make edit. Now you click on this arrow sign, and then you're going to go ahead and use these two AI platform now that we picked. So it's going to do it side by side. You can see we pick side by side. So the first one is the Kie.ai, while the other one is the Seedance 4.5. You all know Seedance 4.5 is a popular app. It's only this Kie.ai that is not that popular. But we're going to see what they are capable of, what both of them can do. Okay, so in just a few seconds, it's going to go ahead and generate. So our banner has been generated. Okay, you can see both of them have generated side by side, and you can see the difference. Now this is the first one. This is what Kie.ai created for us, as you can see. How to build a monetized YouTube channel in 2026. Okay, so from the prompt that ChatGPT gave to it, now I'm making this very, very. The reason why I'm using one prompt for everything, so you can see what the different AI can generate for you, just in case you can get the best of the best. So you can see the way it created everything, and this is amazing. Okay, so we'll look at what Seedance 4.5 did, so we can compare them. So I'm just going to go ahead and just compare them. That's the purpose of this side by side, so you can compare them. Okay, go ahead and download it. And you can see the size is just 216 kilobytes, which is not that of a high quality design. Now here is, okay, how to build monetize YouTube income in 2026. YouTube monetized. I don't. This write-up is not correct. Now here's the issue. Okay, you can see that there is something wrong with that write-up. What you will learn, right? These are the things that I ask. Limited slot available. Okay, register now. You can see the laptop and subscriber count. That is a YouTube class. Okay, this is okay. Okay, I think that banner design is also okay. It's catchy. So I can go ahead to click on the download button. You can see this one is Seedance 4.5 is 1.5 megabytes. So the quality these are things you are going to consider. The quality of what you are getting once you download the banner design. So in case you are working for somebody online, right? There are most of the design depending on the way you prompt it, right? If you prompt it very well. This is just a tutorial purpose. You take your time to prompt very well. You can edit the prompt that ChatGPT gave to you. You will not be able to detect whether you are using AI. I'm going to go ahead and change this to Google Image 4. Right? We want to use Google Image 4. Then we're going to use Seedance 5. We used Seedance 4 before, and now we're using Google Image 4 and Seedance 5. So let's see what they are going to do. I'm going to go ahead and paste it. I paste my prompt, and then I hit the arrow button to send. So in most cases, they usually ask for verification just to make sure that you are not AI. Even the AI system is afraid of AI. So we are going to go ahead and just make sure that you're not AI. And it's going to go ahead and create. You can see now, mind you, we are using the same prompt. This imaging, Google Imaging 4.0. I'm using the same prompt across board, but they are giving us different designs. All right. Free 7 days live masterclass, how to build a monetized YouTube income channel in 2026. All right, this make a lot of sense. What you will learn, growth on YouTube organically. Now, you can go to the comment section and just pick the best, the one that you did a lot of work here. This is Google Imaging 4.0. Right, this is Google Imaging 4.0. I'm going to go ahead and just download that before proceeding to the next. And this is Seedance. I think Seedance 5.0 and thereabout. Now, how to build 7 days free masterclass, how to build a monetized YouTube. Okay. I really do not like this design. Though the design is also perfect, I really don't like the way the preview is somehow. Now, don't forget that we actually told ChatGPT to make design look like that of YouTube. That's why you're seeing that there's a combination between black and red and some other colors that YouTube uses. Okay, so they are trying to mimic YouTube. Black, white, and red is the major color from all the design because the way we told ChatGPT. Now, when you look at the Seeding 4.0, 4K 5.0, 690 MB, right? So I think Google imaging has quality in terms of what you are downloading. Now I'm going to just go ahead and check another AI app. These are all AI tools, okay? Arena AI gives you access. All you need is just Arena AI, okay? So we're going to try another apps, another AI tools. That is when 2.0 Image Pro is Hidram 0.1. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and paste my prompts. I'm going to send to see what we can get from this tool. So I'm just wrapping you around what you can do with Arena AI. So you can see you can do a lot of work with Arena AI. So you don't need too many apps. You just come to Arena AI and you have access to everything. Okay, this is Gwen. How to build a monetized YouTube channel. Okay, I think this is perfect. This is perfect. I will rate this win 7, right? So this Hidram 0.001. His drums is 01. Most of you don't know these here apps. Now just drop a comment in the comment section. The one you know that is doing a very great and nice job here. Now we're also going to try out ChatGPT at the end of the day. So let's go ahead and just see what we have here. How to build a monetized YouTube channel. Okay, register now. I think that is another, so we're just going to go ahead and pick another AI tools. So we can go on our own and pick different tools that we can use here. See, there's Grok image in there. This one 2.6 image. So I'm going to be using that. I think that's our last that we're going to be using. And there are so many AI tools. There's many AI tools that we can use here. Now use Rev 2. Okay, I'm going to paste the prompts and just all right. So I want to try and add image here. All right, I want to upload image so that they will use the image for the design instead of using the AI generated image for the design. I wanted to use a specific image that I want them to use. Okay, just in case you are finding it difficult to use your own personal image, this is how to do it. You can just go ahead. So I click on the image that I want to use. I'm going to go ahead and load, and I'm going to hit submit. Now I want to indicate. You can't just post image like that. Okay, I must indicate by letting them know. So okay, I'm going to say use the uploaded image. I say use the uploaded image for the design. So that means they're going to go ahead. These AI tools are going to use this prompt to go ahead and run the design using that particular image. But unfortunately, I think the network was bad, so it could not load. So you have to use their image as well. Okay, so you can see what was created here. How to build a monetized YouTube channel in 2026. What you will learn. Okay, everything is well arranged. These are perfect design. Location is online. Okay, these are perfect design. I can't really differentiate most of them, which is better than. Now these are different AI tools that we have there. This is 100% free because we are using it through Arena AI. So I guess we have an app that gave us something like this before. I think we just passed it. I think one of the app gave us something like this. Okay, so we can just go ahead and download them. Then we can also rate them by the quality of what it is. Now Hitram gave us 6.1, while Win 2.7 gave us 6.8 MB. These are quality designs. Okay, these are quality design. These are the things that you. Now we just go over to our ChatGPT. Go to new. So ChatGPT created this prompt for us. Now I want to give it to ChatGPT. Go and click on create image on ChatGPT. Paste the prompt here. So I'm going to go ahead and add my image. I pray it work this time around because of I think I'm having bad network here. I'm going to go ahead and search for my image. So I'll just scroll down to make sure I get to my image. Okay. Right, okay, that's the image I'm looking for. So click on, right, it's going to go ahead and load. And that information I still need to give it to ChatGPT. Use the uploaded image for the design. Right. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to hit on submit and allow ChatGPT to do its work. So our banner is almost done, created. Now, as you can see here, how to build a monetized YouTube channel. All right. So for me, I think ChatGPT did a very good job here. I think ChatGPT is still one of the best AI tools out there in terms of graphic design. They are doing a better job than Gemini AI, 100%. Okay, you can see the way it was designed is 100% different from the rest. Okay, you see the arrangement and everything is intact. The golden 2026. Okay, so everything flow with the image that I used. You can see the button register now. So let me know what you think. Which of these AI tools do you think is the best in terms of graphic design? Okay, and do you think that graphic designers still have a say? Right, because you can tweak this prompt. Is garbage in, garbage out. What I give to it is what we are seeing now. All right. If I gave it something better than this, you would have seen a better result than this. In case you don't like this design, in case you feel the design is too, they can easily know whether it's AI. All right. If you tweak it more, you can get a different result. Okay. So let me know in the comment section which of these AI tools you think did the best. Is it ChatGPT? The same ChatGPT that gave us the prompt. Now, mind you, those other AI tools can also give us the prompt. Arena.ai can do everything for us if we wanted to use Arena.ai. All right. So Arena.ai can also do the same thing for us if we wanted to use it. So don't forget to hit the subscribe.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.